Welcome back to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Kim here with Chefs Joe and Eli. And today we're making a bold and savory way to start the day, our Tokyo Turkey Breakfast Biscuit. We're stacking up a lower sodium biscuit from Bake Crafters with a fluffy egg patty, sweet and sour glazed butterball turkey medallions, and a little global flavor from Kikkoman sweet and sour sauce. This one's a great option to add a global touch to your breakfast menu. Chefs, you ready to get to work?
Let's go. Let's do it.
Let's go. And that's your Tokyo Turkey Breakfast Biscuit. It's a handheld packed with protein and sweet, savory flavor that students will absolutely go for. This recipe provides 2 ounces meat alternate, and 1 1/4 ounce grain. You'll find it listed in the Healthy Pro System, recipe number 1787444. Thanks again for joining us at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. See you next time.